Hello. Today I will show you how to link Payoneer to ClickBank. So let's start the main video. First, open your browser and go to clickbank.com. Click on Login at the top right corner. Enter your ClickBank username, password, and sign into your account. Once you're on your ClickBank dashboard, from the drop-down menu, select Account Settings. Inside the Account Settings page, scroll down and find the Payment Information section. Click on the Edit or Update button beside it. You'll see different payment options like check, direct deposit, and wire transfer. From here, choose direct deposit. This is the option we'll use to link Payoneer. Now, open a new tab and go to Payoneer.com. Log into your Payoneer account using your email and password. Once logged in, go to Receive in Global Payment Service. Here you'll find your virtual bank details like bank name, account number, routing number, and account type. These are the details you'll use in ClickBank. Go back to your ClickBank payment information page. Now, enter the same bank information from your Payoneer account. Next, choose how often you want to get paid weekly or bi-weekly. You can also set your minimum payout amount, for example, $10, $50, or $100. After filling in all the details, click on Save Changes or Update. ClickBank might ask you to confirm the changes via email or security verification. Just follow the prompt. Once everything is saved, you'll see a confirmation message saying your payment method has been successfully updated. Now your ClickBank account is officially linked to your Payoneer account. And that's it. Thanks for watching.